What's up, mga kawiti and mga kawitness? It's good to be Monday. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, what happened last Saturday is that Bitcoin approached 104. And then yesterday, actually kanina lang to umabot siya ng 106 and then bigla siya nag-flash crash. As you can see, guys, tumama na naman siya sa resistance natin. And then this is the classic double top. Every time na nagkakaroon ng double top, tumatama siya sa resistance ng ganyan, babagsak talaga siya. But as of now, na-respect niya yung Bollinger Band, bumaba siya ng 99,500 and now nag-hover na siya sa 100,000 to 102,000. So what will happen next, guys? I'm so excited to be alive to this moment. The first pro-crypto president of the United States. Gagawa sila ng strategic Bitcoin reserve that would mitigate their debt in the China and other countries. So let's see what will happen next. And then I hope that everybody will succeed, and I hope that we will witness the first ever adoption of cryptocurrency. So as you can see, guys, at Philippine peso, bumabagsak na naman tayo below 6 million pesos. But as of now, makikita natin, nakapag-support na siya dito sa ating resistance. This is the resistance that turned into support. So ano na ba mangyayari pag nagkaroon tayo ng pro-Bitcoin or pro-cryptocurrency era? Kasi guys, lahat ng products, lahat ng bagay, from real estate, from your money to your property, lahat ng pwedeng ilagay sa ledger, sa lahat ng accounting, ilalagay na sa blockchain. Gagawa na tayo sarili nating ledger for our properties. So anyway, quick reminder again, guys, pause nyo na lang kung kailangan nyo basahin. Kasi all of men need to train martial arts, weightlifting, basta any kind of sports that will make you focus, discipline, and be man. You need testosterone, so you need to exercise.